in the city's north end.
It's a marquee affordable housing project that is literally meant to build up the neighborhood. Fox 61's Jim Altman has more.
A warm reception is unavoidable on a day like today, but this one is welcomed in Hartford's North End. The barn red home and the green ribbon are something to celebrate on Enfield Street, courtesy of the Hartford Land Bank.
So the Land Bank is a nonprofit that banks properties in order to bring them back to contributing assets to the city of Hartford.
For the three-family home, originally built in 1925, it's been an 8-month-long extreme makeover. From this to this.
Granite, tile, backsplash.
Tex and Damien are the developers.
That's the beauty about it. It's like, as I always say, turning water into wine. I love that feeling.
For Hartford Mayor Arunan Arulapalam, projects like this hit home. He used to be the Land Bank CEO.
Being able to provide housing that's not just affordable but quality, that gives Hartford residents anything you can get in any other community right here in the middle of North Hartford is an incredible thing.
And for the Land Bank and its supporters, there are designs on the future. Actually, just down the road.
Every block we go on and we do this, that's what happens. We uplift the block, and because it's the ugliest house on the block, the ugly duckling now becomes the most beautiful house on the block, every block we go on.
Building these seeds of hope right here in North Hartford, we're so excited about it.
And with a little luck, this totally remodeled house will be ready to host 3 new families starting sometime in July. In the north end of Hartford, Jim Altman, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.
It looks like a beautiful place there, Jimmy. Thank you.